Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem PowerShell users encounter when customizing their environment. The issue at hand is ensuring that ANSI Escape Colors works seamlessly when using getChildItem and piping it to FormatViewDefinition. Now let's focus on the solution. The key here is to utilize the NameString property when formatting the output with FormatViewDefinition. By running getChildItem FormatViewDefinition NameString, you ensure that the directory highlighting and color formatting are preserved in the output. Moving on with the solution, it's essential to understand the specific properties used by the default formatter to apply colored output in the table control. The NameString property, along with LengthString and LastWriteTimeString, are the properties that contain the necessary VD sequences for colored output. To further enhance the formatting, you can explore the underlying structure by examining the FormatViewDefinition of system.io *info objects. This insight can provide a deeper understanding of how color formatting is applied in different formatting controls. Lastly, to fine-tune the color formatting in WideControl, you can leverage the property name tag within the formatting XML to ensure that NameString is utilized by default. This may require some manual editing of the exported PS1 XML files to align the formatting with the default color scheme. In summary, by understanding the properties and formatting controls involved, you can optimize the color output in PowerShell and tailor it to your preferences. Remember, a colorful command line is a happy command line. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment below to let me know how your PowerShell customization journey is going. Happy scripting!